Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new visiting this channel, welcome. My name is Claire and this is Claire on Demand. Today we are going to cook cassava custard cake. I've included a list of ingredients for this recipe so that it will be easier for you to gather all the ingredients. And if you need more time to take a look on the list of ingredients, you may pause this video and take a screenshot. The first thing we need to do is prepare our baking tray and grease with butter. For the ingredients, we're going to need 1 can or 400 ml of coconut milk, 1 can or 380 grams of condensed milk, 1 can or 370 ml of evaporated milk, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 pieces of eggs, and 2 packs of 454 grams of grated cassava. You can find grated cassava in any Asian store. If you are here in Canada, you can find cassava in No Frills. There is a whole peeled cassava in their frozen section. And if you want to use fresh cassava, you can also find this in Asian stores. Preparing this may take you 3 to 5 minutes only, so we have to preheat the oven first. In a mixing bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Then add the 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Whisk till it just combined. Now add in the 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and the condensed milk. For the condensed milk, leave about 1/4 cup. Then whisk and combine the mixture. Then bring in the 2 packs of grated cassava. Using your spatula, mix in all the ingredients. Take time to mix it thoroughly. Transfer the batter to the greased baking tray. Then bake for an hour. While we are baking, let's make the custard topping. Crack 3 eggs in a mixing bowl. Then add half can of evaporated milk and a 1/4 cup of condensed milk that we set aside. Whisk and combine all the ingredients. Then use a strainer to eliminate any lumps from the eggs. This way, the custard topping becomes smoother and there's no bubbles on it after baking. After an hour, take out the cassava cake from the oven. Pour the custard mixture on top of it. Put it back in the oven and bake for another 15 minutes or until the custard is set. I hope you like and try this recipe, and if you do, please leave me a comment below and tell me how did it go. Till next time, let's make cooking fun and enjoyable.